In this video, let's learn how to enable Maintance mode. Now I will explain it. To enable this feature, go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page, go to device care option, scroll down this page again. After you can see this Maintance mode in here, click on it. When we enable this Maintance mode, you can see instruction in here. Only pre-installed apps are available and we need to unlock our phone to turn off Maintance mode. Now you can enable Maintance mode by click on this turn on option. Now you want to set a screen lock for this. I add pattern for this. Okay, now again you can click turn on option. Now they require to restart. You can click on restart option. You can see the instruction in here. Normally takes around 2 minutes to create this Maintance mode. Now my mobile is restarting. You can see switching Maintance mode. Now you can see the Maintance mode. We can see the name here. We can see pre-installed application only. To exit on this Maintance mode, tap your notification panel and you can click on this exit option. Again, you want to restart your mobile to turn off this Maintance mode. Now I draw my pattern. Now my mobile is again restarting to turn off this Maintance mode. You can see this is my normal mode. All applications have no any application deleted. In this method you can enable Maintance mode on your A06 mobile.